In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a stop limit order on Coinbase Advanced. If you're just getting started in the world of crypto and trading, and you're finding yourself puzzled over what a stop limit order is, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this is, when to use it, and how to place one. And although our walkthrough uses Coinbase Advanced as an example, the principles and processes that we're going to be covering are applicable to most of the cryptocurrency exchanges. For more information about Coinbase Advanced, please check out everybethelps.io. Or alternatively, you can check out our full beginner's guide. First up, I'll quickly explain what a stop limit order is. So a stop limit order combines the features of a stop order and a limit order. It's a two-step process consisting of the stop price and the limit price. First, you set a stop price, which triggers your limit order. For example, if you own Bitcoin and you're worried about the price falling, you could set a stop price lower than the current market price. Once the price falls to or below this stop price, your limit order is then activated. The limit order is the specific price at which your Bitcoin will be sold once your stop price has been reached, and they come with several advantages. Stop limit orders provide you with greater control over buy and sell prices compared to standard market orders. They can also be used to mitigate risk, enabling you to limit your losses or secure profits when you're not actively watching the market. But there are some potential downsides too. One disadvantage is that there's no guarantee that your limit order will be fully executed. This might happen if the market moves rapidly past your limit price before the order can be filled. Also, during times of high volatility, your stop price could be triggered by a short-term fluctuation in a cryptocurrency's price. So let's jump in and take a look at how we place a stop limit order over on Coinbase Advanced. And this is under the assumption that you already have funds deposited on Coinbase Advanced. If you don't already know how to do this, I do have a full Coinbase Advanced tutorial available. So let's head over to Coinbase Advanced now, and I'll have a link in the summary that you can use for that if you haven't already signed up for Coinbase. And we'll need to be on the spot screen, which I've selected from the left-hand side of the screen. Then select the trading pair that you want to swap between from the drop-down here. In this example, I'm going to be trading Great British Pounds for Bitcoin, so I'm going to choose BTC-GBP. And then you need to head across to the right-hand side of your screen and choose if you're buying or selling. In this example, I'm going to show you how to set up a stop limit sell order to help protect against losses. So we want to ensure that we're on the stop limit tab. However, there are other order types available which I have separate tutorials available for. If you're holding Bitcoin and the price starts dropping, you could set the stop price to be £22,800 and then a limit price at £22,750. And you then enter the amounts that you want to sell when this happens. And you can choose to either enter this amount in Bitcoin or GBP, which you can select from the drop-down. Then manually enter in how much you want to sell, or you can use the slider to select a percentage of your portfolio, in other words, your balance. I'm going to choose to sell £100 of Bitcoin. And this will ensure that once the stop price is reached, the limit order, if triggered, will execute at that price or higher. And in a fast-moving or a low-liquidity market, this can protect you from trading at an undesired price. While your portfolio value would drop, selling Bitcoin via a stop limit order may reduce further losses if prices were to drop even lower. Then underneath here, we have time enforced with the option of good till cancelled, which means that the order will remain active until you decide to manually cancel it, or good till time, where the order will remain active until you set a specific minute, hour or day. And the estimated fee will then show, and this varies between 0.4% and 0.6%, which will depend on your trading amount, and if you are a maker or taker, which I'm going to quickly explain. So a taker of the market pays 0.6%, and this is someone who places an order that is automatically matched on the order book, because you are taking the current market price. Whereas the maker of the market pays less at 0.4%. And they're placing an order that is not automatically matched, and essentially this user is making the market. When you're happy, you can choose to sell BTC. And you'll receive a message summarising your order. If you're happy to proceed, choose Place Order. Now, unlike something like a market order, a stop limit order doesn't automatically place and fill. As you'll see under orders here, this stop sell order is currently active. And your stop limit order will only be filled if the stop price is met and the limit order is filled by an order on the order book. Now, of course, there's no guarantee that the market price will reach that value again, so your stop limit order may never be filled. And if this is the case, you can cancel your order before it's been filled. And this is also handy if you do make a mistake. To cancel an order, click onto the order, and here you can choose to cancel the order. But we're just going to wait now for the market to reach our stop price so that I can show you this as an example. So a bit of time has now passed, and as you can see, the price has dropped below £22,800. And our order at the bottom of the screen is now filled. If I click onto the order, I can see the details, including when it was executed. And I can see that my limit order executed at £22,750. Now that I've sold my Bitcoin, the GBP will appear under my portfolio. So if I click onto that, and then my British Pound wallet, I could then choose to withdraw my cash or essentially cash out to the likes of my bank account or PayPal. If you're not too sure how to withdraw, again you can check out my full tutorial of a Coinbase Advanced trade. So that's how you can set up a stop limit order to help protect against losses. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.